SOWKEA Agro presents easy-to-operate IoT vending machines that vend tender coconuts, pure cow's milk and other agro products. These user-friendly vending machines are easy to operate, convenient and secure. Vends tender coconut and cow's milk. Inbuilt, easy-to-use touchscreen interface. Video screening display. Can be operated with an app too. Options to choose quantity and size. QR code scanning, debit, credit card and payment app options. No rental or lease charges. Consumes very low units of power. These machines don't eat up much storage space and can slot into a variety of places and are versatile enough for a variety of sectors. SOWKEA Agro is a pioneer and innovator in the agro sector. It believes in deploying robust technology. The brand philosophy is to protect farmers' interests, guarantee fair compensation, and provide an enriching consumer experience. For booking, contact 9442 62002 or 1-800-103-7649. www.SOWKEA.com. Support us in our earnest initiative to empower farmers.